Yes, 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 yes. Or the most electrifying one, the 10-star one. Yes, yes, sure is. Yeah, nation people. Me no know if you not see it. Say, the world boss put up the gold plaque on him Instagram and I make them know say here we are going. No feature. No international record label. Big up TG record and Adi Jaim record. You see me? Fever for the girl and punani. When I talk about slap way. You see what I say? And me been telling her that from previous video yesterday. So you see say, me never lie to you when me I represent. You see what I say? Because that was for the jockstrap sniffers them who are try size up some local artists with the, in the world boss, in the world boss league, where them not there. So here we go and write about now. Through the world boss do that now, me see be men and people are run out. Here some people now, hey, the world boss are this shenseea. Hey, the world boss are this masicka. Yo, what not chat about? Eh? Tell me, what really that they are chat about? The world boss now this nobody because the world boss have platinum plat and gold plat where him receive from different other artists thing. It's only true that the world boss don't choose to talk about it. You see what I say? Yeah, because it's never theme thing personally. You don't understand me. Eh? Make we step now at the world, it's not a plan. So what you are going, you know? Carefully, you know? Hey, yo, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. Hey, you know it go already, you know? When I come for represent a full effect thing, man. You know it go when I load up. Aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing then. Hey, you know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Your nation people. You know we not easy. A high grade we smoke or we not burn beady. A long time I tell them and them act like them not believe me. You see what I say? Yeah. Some I know where some jockstrap sniffers I run out. I try to look algorithm and I try to look clickbait and views for them channel. So boy I run out and I talk about Vybz Kartel or this massacre, Vybz Kartel or this shenseea. Vybz Kartel never call nobody name my brother. Vybz Kartel put up him achievement. Wait though, a man wrong for talk about him own achievement. Eh? Me never had to tell you no yesterday. Eh? When you know that they are not run on no beat. Me never had to tell you no. I see the world boss 10-star step. Gaza way, because there ain't no other way. And the general flick out the proof, the material evidence and show on them. I know people act like them upset with it. The general must see some step, concrete way. And the general see things shaky out there and broke it off with the material evidence, the big bad gold plot. Is what I say. I make you know say individual stuff. I never no feature. No international company sign. Nothing like that, you see me? A local record label, you see what I say? And the genius himself behind him crystal voice. You see what I say? Shell with things. Other than what else I want me to know. The general have all kind of plot, you know, where the general can put up, you know, where the general dep and people think feature said we, you know. I want me to know. You never know that? I thought the general not talk about that. You want to go check out the general and Missy? You want to see what it do to the world? Hmm? Yo, whatever, I go them place there we don't need, you know. You see what I say? Because you see if I'm on the Naga sparks, you see what I say? Individually, like how the general bad up scene and make them know and a lollipop thing, a Gaza Mat 90 rifle and Glock thing, and the whole place sell a gold record instant over 500,000 copy sell. You know what I mean? It not take no boy to do that. It's a big man job. That's why the general tell you say a big boy leagues. Him no wrong. You know what I mean? So whether some people want to have it and say, well then the general show off or the general are this or that. No. Una go look like on a bad mind. No. Because you can't judge a man over his own achievement. You see what I say? I not beg it. I not buy it. You see what I say? Him earn it. You see what I say? I don't have to know that. Him earn it just because him lyrical ability. You see what I say? And him genius ability of to put words together and slap with things. You see what I say? So when you now run and I push up shenseea and I put up masicka, gimmicks business you not talk about, the general have them plot the two when him get with people. The general not talk about that. The general talk about him own achievement, and it's all have to do with them jockstrap sniffer there where run up their mouth and make me have to step and make the general see it, and the general have to post it on them Instagram, the big material evidence, the big gold fever plot, and make on a sister well then 10 star never lie. Want me to know? Right now, you know. Me no know where really are going, you know. You see what I say? Because I see some local man I run up them mouth and the general I make them know say, right now, all uno there are go on and I talk about uno tongue business. Stiff wood still a lead. Stiff wood still a win. Big stiff hard wood still a win. You see what I say? It's a natural winner. You can't beat that. You can't beat big, stiff, hard wood. First thing, your grandfather used to say, son, if you want the pot for boil, big wood have to push a fire. Because small wood burn out quick. Small wood can't bubble up pot. A big, hard, stiff wood you have to have for fire blaze red and pot bubble up. No gimmicks thing no there in it. No lollipop thing no there in it. Eh? So what I talk about? You don't come in with no tongue business and feel like that can win big stiff wood. That can win big stiff wood. Eh? You know see how much the girl them try and run, go to all them dealer, and them still have to come back home to Thomas from St. Thomas. You know what I mean? Big fiberglass button. You see what I say? The tall utility pole who I shot them with 2,000 voltage. I want me to you, man. Eh? I think we easy. I grade with smoke and we not burn beady. I watch ya. Me hear a look man. Say my artist. Say my artist nation people and come out and I try to look controversy. Say Vybz Kartel tell him. Say the girl them panty must clean. When they take a stop, I wash him, I wash the girl them panty. Vybz Kartel never tell nobody that, you know, brother. As you remember, I said the Vybz Kartel tell the girl them no dirty panty. I mean, I know if him have himself as a girl, because boxers and brief and underpants different from drawers. As you remember, I said, and them no fit for man and woman the same, my brother. Because drawers created for woman, ladies. So I don't know what this boy do video and I try to look at it and say, yo, this social media, you know, get people toxic, you know. Is that a word name certain start? Yeah, this social media get people toxic, my brother. So them come out with all kind of things for people, see them, You see what I did? But I go and see, I go and check out this thing here. If Vybz Kartel tell this guy for wash drawers. What my mind there? I'm mind there because the last time, me know how the song go, and me have a see if in a it him tell him for wash drawers. Alright, no dirty panty, no dirty panty. Make sure that drawers there is not for your auntie. If I'm a Chris drawers, girl, don't own it. It favor the football net. You are goalie, no dirty panty, no dirty panty. Make sure that drawers there is not for your auntie. If I'm a Chris drawers, girl, don't own it. It favor the football. Alright, your panty are black, the pum fat. The panty are white, baby, this something tight. You see, if you come here without underwear, you're ready to sit down on body like chair. Panty are brown, vagina we are brown, if a grey. You know self pussy prepared, but if the panty are blue and the crotches are pink, a infection, the sickness stink. Baby, no dirty panty, no dirty panty. Make sure that drawers there is not for your auntie. If I'm not Chris draft, girls don't own it. Why mesh? You know goalie, she want reconstruction. Tell her go check Mr. Williams. She still look mash up with her billions. She passed from cool face got to billions. A idiot. Evil with her brilliant, and she a walk megaphone like Vivian. She run like baseline so trillion. She work hard like ants to put money in her blouse and her skirt and her pants. Hey, no dirty. Watch. No in a nation people. Me not see nowhere in the song. Tell this boy to go wash drawers. Yo, you see when time when I come with a cloud chasing thing. And I come with a look at gimmicks and lollipop thing for people soon, I beg on to leave Gaza name out on them out, Because this is not gimmicks thing, Everybody know Gaza thing, a Mach 90 rifle and black thing. Anywhere, the general, the 10-star one I represent Gaza where they ain't no other way. Watch. 10-star, general. Watch.